In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for social media management. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use social media calendar built from an Asana template with clear dates and settings that match your workflow. First, open Asana and head to the left sidebar. Find projects and click it. This is your starting point for organizing work in Asana, and it's where you'll create the space that holds your entire social media plan. Next, choose New Project. In the window that opens, switch to the Marketing tab. Asana groups templates by team needs, and the Marketing section includes a purpose-built option for social content planning. Select Social Media Calendar to use Asana's pre-built framework tailored for posts, channels, and schedules. It saves setup time and ensures you don't miss key fields. Click Use Template. Now it's time to personalize it. Enter a clear project name. A good naming convention makes it easy to search and report later. Think along the lines of Social Media Calendar, Q2, or Brand Social 2026. Keep it specific to a campaign, month, or quarter so timelines and reporting stay tidy. Choose your privacy setting. If you're working with a core team, limit access to project members to protect drafts and early creative. If you need broader visibility across a department, open it to the appropriate team. Match privacy to who actually needs to see in-progress content. Click. Next, to set your timeline. Pick a start date that aligns with when you want planning and production to begin. Then select the end date that reflects when the calendar should wrap. End of a campaign, month, or quarter. Asana will calculate the schedule between those dates, laying out tasks across that range. Review what Asana generates and confirm the end date so the window covers your full planning period without cutting off key deliverables. Decide whether to schedule tasks on weekends. Turn this on if your audience is active on Saturdays and Sundays or if your posting plan requires weekend coverage. Leave it off if your team doesn't work weekends and you prefer weekday-only task due dates. This single choice helps keep workloads realistic while still aligning with your content strategy. When everything looks right, click Create Project. Asana will build your social media calendar with predefined tasks and timelines inside a clean project space. You can now view the plan, see how dates map across the period you selected, and proceed with your content workflow. That's it, your social media calendar in Asana is set up and ready to use.